Pizza has a lot of maida in it, right? Maida. So yeah, maida. You know, 5 days bhi jata hai and it's fine. 5 days is fine, but less than 3 days or 3 days is not fine. And if at all you are facing this problem, then just think that you have, from the day, you know, it has been stopped till the day it will be coming for the next month, you have to eat healthy. I would be also giving out all the duration, like, you know, you can check it out whatsoever, you know, duration, words or topics you are interested in or you want to know. Description box में सब दिया जाएगा. You just have to watch according to it. If at all you can't watch the whole entire video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today we would be talking about periods. We would be talking about dates. Yes, you heard it right. कुछ शौक होने की बात नहीं है. कुछ, it's not something, a topic that you haven't heard or you haven't. We all have studied about it. We all have heard about it from many people, from our mothers, sisters, from a GF as well. Yeah, I know that. So yes, that this topic is something very much casual, जो बहुत ही कम लोग, we can say, who, there are many people who hesitate to talk about this. When it's come to talking, it's not something you have to talk in depth or you have to talk something vulgar kind of, but most important stuff that we would be talking and we would be covering out in this video is that what you need to eat, what you need to eat, what you need not to eat during those days, and what are the some precautions that every girl needs to take, every woman needs to take when it's the dates time, when it's the days time, when it's the periods time, or whatsoever you call. Yes, definitely when we were small, when we girls were small, we had got a different names for this. Definitely, different code words we had seen. You know, I used to hear different code words and I was like, what does this mean? Like, why people don't call it jo naam hai uska? Like, I don't know. I still don't know. But being frank, being open, being a girl, it's normal. It's definitely normal to speak about it because there are few stuff that we try to ignore. Believe me, being a teenager, when we step into a teenager, when girls step into a teenager, only the school, the college, some friends or some teachers or the family, the main important stuff is the family, your mothers, your uncle, aunties, sorry, not uncle, like, you know, jo khandan ke sab aa jate hai all of a sudden when you are a good young teenage, you are going into the zone. They try to make a count on, you know, different kinds of rules that a girl needs to obey or rules that a girl needs to think, say, do in those time of period. Definitely. It's always like, you know, you have to do this, you don't have to do this, you don't have to wear like this, you don't have to walk like this, you don't have to sit like this, you don't have to speak like this, you don't have to go into this, you don't have to touch this, you don't have to cook this, and blah blah blah. Like, going in a rural area, you'll definitely get to hear many more, you know, many more rules and regulations, which I don't know who has invented, but ho chuka hai. But in rural, in urban cities, we face these things very less. Like, you know, these rules have been minuted. Like, thoda hi rules bacha hai jo hum palte hai, and rest is the natural stuff. So yes, in this time period, nobody has said a girl that what a girl needs to eat, what a girl needs to drink, how a girl's body needs to work, or how a girl needs to keep her body so that the blood that has been going out from her body will be in a good position, and plus unka health, aapka girl ka health bhi acha rahega. It's not always like you have to go for a checkup, you know, if few things are not working right, you know, if all of a sudden your days has been stopped or you are overflowing and all kind of stuff, you need to go. It's totally up to your food, up to your intake as well. A big part of, you know, a big part जो बहुत ज़्यादा work करता है वो होता है आपका जो आप खाना खाते हो, वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा impact देता है आपके full days के ऊपर. So being a teenager and being within those community of my friends, you know, being in college, I was also the same, you know, who will be taking care of all those, like, you know, what we need to eat, you know, because in those time period, our mind is always in a moody, you know, we are in an anger mood where we don't think much, and whatsoever we get, whatsoever we get to offer, we have it, or whatever we see, we just have it. We don't think much that is it right time to have it or it's not right time to have it. But believe me guys, I have seen my body working out in a good positive results, giving a good positive results when I ate a very good plenty of vegetables or plenty of good healthy foods, and I quitted the junk foods. उसके पीछे भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा reason है, because I was into work. So when you are into work, you don't get much time to go and have junk foods and all kind during the college time period I'm talking about. So yeah. So and that was a time when I understood कि yes, खाना and right खाना हमारे body पे, हमारे blood पे बहुत ज़्यादा affect करता है. So I would be talking about these all stuff, the basic intakes what a girl needs to have. It doesn't mean that a guy can't watch this or guy can't share this. It's totally open. It's totally, we are living in a very independent country where everything is open, and you can definitely share this with the most loved ones, we can say, or whom you feel that a person needs to watch this. Definitely bindas share karo. The most important stuff is when a girl doesn't get a period on time, or it's something a girl gets a period on time, but if at all that period is not for a 5 days of duration, or 7 days of duration, max to max 7 days वो चलता है. So अगर नहीं हुआ, if at all that person is not getting a 7 days of duration or 5 days of duration, that only means that that person is not stable. I'm not talking about in terms of weight and all kind of stuff. Yes, वो भी affect करता है when it's all about the blood flow, when the blood flows. But I'm also talking about the mental stability. Yes, agar a person is in depression, or a person is being most into the tension zone, or a person is not stable by his mind, not having food with the stability of his mind, then also it affects the days. It definitely affects your days. तो आप जब whensoever you are in a depression, or whensoever your mind is not stable, try becoming more stable जितना जल्दी आपको हो सके, because it also affects your body. Plus if you are underweight, I'm talking about underweight, means it doesn't mean that you are more skinny तो शायद से आपका blood flow अच्छे से नहीं होगा. No, not at all. I'm also a skinny person since from the birth, I guess. Yeah. So I'm also a skinny person, but sometimes it differs from months to months. It differs from times to time that how your blood flows. It also has impact, like how if at all your body, if you all of a sudden your weight has been decreasing, all of a sudden एक month में या 2 month में आपका weight बहुत ही नीचे गिर चुका है, तो definitely it will affect your periods. It will definitely affect your periods. So you just have to keep a track that is your weight is a weight stable, like whatsoever you are having, does it gives proteins to your body, or is it just having it तुम ऐसे ही time pass के लिए वो खा रहे हो, क्योंकि it doesn't has any impact, it doesn't has any like कुछ होगा नहीं अगर आपने सिर्फ खाने के लिए खाया, and if it does not has proteins that would help to build up your body. So yes, the most important thing is the weight also you have to check out. if अगर आपका weight गिर रहा है, उठ रहा है और गिरते ही जा रहा है, तो आपको समझना है कि आपको आपके diet पे थोड़ा you have to eat more, you have to add more proteins to yourself, so that आपका blood during the periods may go good way. Plus if at all you are being in a depression, or you are not stable by your mind, you definitely need to become stable. And how you can become stable is by doing exercise or doing yoga. So if at all your days has not been going more than 3 days, or less than 3 days, we can also say, try doing exercise in the sense आपको रोज एक्सरसाइज करना चाहिए, नॉट ओनली ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड्स टाइम, या ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड टाइम एज वेल यू कैन डू वर्कआउट, बट अ लाइट वर्कआउट दैट विल नॉट इम्पैक्ट योर होल बॉडी. लाइक तुम्हारे बॉडी, योर बॉडी इज टेकिंग आउट द unwanted blood, so you will have a cramp, you will have all, you know, your body is not in a position कि वो तुम्हारा इतना ज़्यादा workout ले सके, handle कर सके, because आपका body आपको अलग सा pain दे ही रहा है. So you don't have to add more pain in it, you have to just add a little bit of workout that will be helping, you know, like walking in a shorter distance, or, you know, a little bit stretching out kind of stuff will help your body, your you know, your blood to flow in a right good manner. Because अगर आप पूरे दिन रेस्ट करते जाओगे तो things will be like your body will not, your, you know, your bones will not get stretched up, your body, your blood flow will not go in a right manner. So it's better that you need to do a little bit of exercise. About what things that you need not to take during your periods time is, when I'm talking about that, it doesn't mean कि आपको वो 7 days का ही ध्यान रखना है कि आपको इस दिन में नहीं लेना है, you know, in these 7 days when your days has been started आपको healthy खाना है, नहीं, like yes in those 7 days also आपको healthy ही खाना है, but जब 7 days से पहले, when you know that, you know, the entire month whatsoever you eat affects your body, gives the biggest impact on those 7 days. आपको समझ रहा है? So आपको पूरे मंथ का जो आप खाना, you know, whatsoever diet you are planning, you have to keep in mind that you are having some healthy food, some protein that may, you know, help to in those 7 days कि वो blood, जो wastage वाला blood है वो निकल जाए. And if at all your blood, you know, आपका full 7 days गया या फिर 5 days भी गया, that's not a big deal कि अगर 5 days गया तो शायद से कुछ का ये, you know, 5 days भी जाता है and it's fine. 5 days is fine, but less than 3 days or 3 days is not fine. And if at all you are facing this problem, then just think that you have, from the day, you know, it has been stopped till the day it will be coming for the next month, you have to eat healthy. Just remember, you have to eat healthy. And which things you need to skip is not during the 7 days only, but also in the entire month you have to consume it less बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि you can't, if at all you are a foodie and if at all you have a habit of having a junk food just like me, it's like all of a sudden नहीं छूट सकता वो, right? But हम थोड़ा उसे कम कर सकते हैं, because so that हमारे body को, you know, अच्छे से हमारा body function कर सके, right? So yeah, talking about the most important thing is pizza, मैदा. So yeah, पिज़्ज़ा में बहुत ज़्यादा मैदा होता है, तो वो नहीं खाना चाहिए, बिकॉज व्हेन यू हैव दैट हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेट होना लिटिल बिट लेस हो जाता है, तो हमारे पेट में, यू नो, वो फंक्शन नहीं होता है अच्छे से. सो यू हैव टू, आई वोंट बी सेइंग क्विट इट, बट कंज्यूम लेस. जितना हो सके आप थोड़ा थोड़ा कम कंज्यूम करिए फुल 1 month में. मैं पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर और, you know, the streets, chili or, you know, spicy food. Most spicy food that you need to quit is during your day's time. During your day's time I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the entire month. Entire month आपको थोड़ा कम करना है उसे, but still if you are more into a spicy lover just like me, थोड़ा आप कम कर दीजिए, but don't consume more, just a little bit. But during those 7 days, from the first day to the 7th day or till the day your blood finally stops, do not have any spicy. कुछ भी spicy मत खाना. Yes, exactly. कुछ भी spicy मत खाना. So, coming up to the next thing is, the fourth thing that you need to avoid is cold drink. Cold drink when you will be consuming, it's not good for health. वैसे भी वो good नहीं होता है हमारे health के लिए, but most bad times of having a cold drink or, you know, is during your day's time. So do not have a cold drink. Entire month में भी आप slow, you know, less कर दोगे तो it doesn't has, you know, it's good for you. It's not something that you can't, because I was also a person who was die-hard fan of, like, I was having cold drink like hell, because when it's your own dad's shop, why won't you, you know, pick up and you will have it. But when I got to know that it's not nice, it doesn't give any good thing for ourselves, it harms us, so it's better to stop what harms us, right? It definitely. So yeah, quit cold drinks on those 7 days. Plus, if you are alcoholic or if you consume alcohol, then definitely आपको stop करना है. उस 7 days में आपको stop ही करना है full. First से लेके 7 day तक आपको वो alcohol का A भी नहीं लेना है. Yes, A भी नहीं लेना है. So do not अगर आप भूल के भी लोगे so it will affect not only in a shorter run, not only during your periods but also during your pregnancy times. याद रखना कि आप जो भी कर रहे हो अभी छोटे छोटे स्टफ्स अगर आपने टेक केयर किया तो it will give a right and a good impact for a longer duration. But if at all you would be taking it very much lightly and if at all you would be taking क्या होता है एक बार पी लिया next time सोच लेंगे kind of stuff, it will give a very bad impact on your future. So it's better to not to take risk and quit alcohol on those 7 days. So yeah, coming up to the next thing is sugar and salt को आपको ignore करना है. Why? Because it's not good for health. It's not good for health for the sorry, it's not good for health for those 7 days. वो अच्छा नहीं होता. Like consuming more and more sugar I'm talking about, or consuming more and more salt I'm talking about. So yes, coming to the next thing is no coffee. Coffee तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Coffee is no. Like चाय तो आप एक दिन में अगर एक बार भी पी लोगे so it's fine. But coffee तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, because coffee has some materials in it which is not good for our health, which is not good for a continuous flow of blood in our body. So it's not good. So say no to it. If at all you are a chai lover, you can also try herbal tea that is very much good at those times of period. और अगर आपने उसका ही लत लगाया है, it's totally good. Or having a black tea is totally good also for your health to go in hand, plus also your body to function it right. So now comes what things you need to have and when you need to have, right? So coming to what you must have, what you must consume in the entire month also, and also during most important during those 7 days is having beetroot. Having and consuming beetroot on a daily basis gives a very good protein to yourself, क्योंकि उसमें जो जूस रहता है, बीटरूट का जूस रहता है, it adds blood to your system. So it's very much good to have beetroot juice or beetroot carrot juice, a mixed juice on a daily basis. If not on a daily basis, or if you don't like on a daily basis, try having juice of orange juice or apple milkshake or banana milkshake. Try inculcating fruits in your daily diet. If not, you still can't have it on your diet for the entire month, then try having it mostly on those 7 days. On those 7 days में अगर आपने अपने आप में proteins जितना ज़्यादा डाला उतना अच्छा रहता है. So it's better to have vegetables, green vegetables. Definitely I will be telling eat green vegetables on those 7 days only. I can understand having green vegetables is little bit difficult for a non-vegetarian, so it's like something like अलग ही feel होता है. But yeah, I little bit focus on some days. I also have the green vegetables, and it's kind of a good, or we can make something out of it, and जैसे हमें चाहिए रहता है, and we can have it. Have salads. It's very much good. Again, tomatoes, vegetables, whole tomatoes, onions, carrots, cucumbers. It's very much good. It adds water on our body. Plus, when you wake up, make a habit not only for those 7 days, but make a habit when you wake up hot water pio. When you have a hot water in your empty stomach, it gives a very relaxation part for your body to start, your engine to start, and entire body flow जो आपका blood का flow रहता है वो बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है. So have a habit. I have a habit of having cold water, hot water as soon as I wake up, because I have a cold. So it also reduces in a very good manner. If at all whatsoever problem, or you are sick, it also reduces it, and it's very much good if you will have a hot water after you wake up. So yeah, try having honey. You can also add honey in water and have during those 7 days. Try having chocolates. Yes, you heard it right. Try having chocolates, because हमें उस time में बहुत ज़्यादा cravings हो जाती है, and it's better to have chocolates, dark chocolates or whatsoever chocolates you wish to, but dark chocolates gives a very good protein to yourself. So it's good. Try having that. Plus try having eggs. Yes, eggs अगर आप खाओगे तो आपको थोड़ा energy मिल जाएगा to fight with all those cramps that you get in the entire body. It's very much good. Plus, if you are a milk hater, try consuming it in the whole 7 days. Yes, I have made a habit of trying consuming it the entire month because my body needs a lot of energy. I want to gain weight, and because it's good in gaining weight as well. Plus वो अपने बॉडी के ब्लड को बहुत अच्छे से सर्कुलेट होने में हेल्प भी करता है. सो इट्स बेटर दैट इफ नॉट ऑन द होल मंथ, take it on those 7 days. It also goes very well. So try having all the homemade stuffs in those 7 days. So do not go for more spicy, do not go for alcoholic products, or do not go for the most salty products that will harm your intestine, that will harm your body, your stomach, and it will not harm your present blood circulation. It will definitely give a big impact on your future as well. So if at all, plus the most important stuff is, if at all you are a person who wants to attend somebody's party, somebody's wedding, somebody's any occasion you want to go. Many girls, I have heard from many people, I have seen many people that they take a painkiller or a medicine prescribed by the doctor to to have their periods very fast. Like if you will start intaking the medicine, you will be getting your periods very quicker, or your periods will get delayed. So when you are using these kind of medicines in your day-to-day basis, or just for a blood circulation, आप अपने आप को hurt कर रहे हो. Yes, आप अपने आप को hurt कर रहे हो, because it's not at all good to stop your days. Some people use also to stop their days, or some also people use to having a quick days, or delaying it. It's not at all good, because that's something is a natural process that your body makes it. And when your body wants to come, when your blood wants it to come out, let them come it out. If at all you have occasion to attend, it's something like you can't miss only, or it's something it's very much close to your heart, I can definitely understand, because I really don't know why, but periods tend to come when it's the very good and the most important occasion of us, like if at all shadi hai, puja hai, or somewhere where we can't go, where we can't enter after unless and until it's a 3 days, तभी फटाक से आ जाता है वो, like कहाँ से आ जाता है पता नहीं, like all of a sudden आ जाता है. So it's better that we get a sign. Every girl gets a sign before it, before your days. I can understand. So it's better to try to welcome your day. Have dates in have two or three dates in a day. एक डे में 5 भी आप खा सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ ही नहीं होगा. तो अगर आप वो खाओगे तो भी आपके dates, your periods will come a little bit earlier than the estimated days that we we think that maybe आ जाएगा kind of stuff. तो वो जल्दी आ जाता है. If at all not, then try having papaya. That also gives a good impact on your body's blood circulation. So it also always comes comes before the day that they have fixed to come, or else it will try having a good routine, or try having a good schedule of your meal time, like when you eat, or how many times you eat, how frequently you eat, because all these also impacts when the days comes. And also it has to play a lot big role with the pain that you cause to yourself, that has been caused naturally ho jata hai. But if at all you are not keeping yourself the entire month healthy, then definitely in those 7 days, or 5 to 7 days, you will definitely have a lot of cramps, have a lot of pain in your intestine, in your stomach, in your back, in the entire body. So it's better to have a healthy diet the entire month. A little bit healthy we can go, and the most important is avoiding most of the stuff on those particular time frame, because it's not good for health. Plus keep a schedule, keep a good diet, and also a cheat meal if at all you guys want. We can't be healthier every day, every time. Like cheat days rakh do, but don't make yourself a cheat. Don't fool yourself on everyday basis ki hum kal se start kar denge, next time, last bite and all kind of stuff, because maybe you won't face it now, the bigger problem that you would be facing in the future. But if at all future में अगर आप face करोगे तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. So it's better to control yourself, give yourself a little bit love and care what you give what you shower to others, it's better to take care yourself as well. So plus आपका weight भी बढ़ जाएगा, you know, you will be fit and fine as well. Plus your days will also go in a proper and a clear by healthy, you know, healthy way से वो आके चला जाएगा. You'll not even feel as well that it was a day. Like ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा भी मैंने experience किया है, and worst भी मैंने experience किया है. So being from the worst to the best days that I have now, sometimes हो जाता है ऊपर नीचे, sometimes हो जाता है वो pains and all stuff, but I have learned a lot, and that's only the reason for me making this video for all the lovely ladies and whomsoever you are watching. If at all you have a ladies, if you at all you have a girl, if at all you have a woman in your life, then do not forget to share this video, because it will help a lot to a girl to from facing those problems, from facing those heartbroken से भी ज़्यादा वाला pain problem से बचने से आप ज़्यादा help कर सकते हो. So yes, if at all you like this video, give a thumbs up, share करो अपनों के साथ. I just want a big share because it will help a lot to many of the girls.